Here's the question. In brackets, 20 plus 10, bracket close, divided by, bracket, 4 plus 2, bracket close, times 6. So first, we'll solve the brackets in this. Let's solve this bracket first. 20 plus 10, that becomes 30 inside the bracket. Divide. Bracket 4 plus 2, bracket close, times 6. Let's solve it further. 30 divided by. If we solve this bracket, 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Multiply by 6. Let's solve it further. 30 divided by 6 into 6. Now let's check left to right. When checking left to right, whatever comes first gets the first priority. So here, divide comes first and multiplication comes in a second position. Let's solve it further. 30 divided by 6, multiply by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5 times now. 5 into 6 equals 30. This is the right answer.